Hey, what is up guys? John from Magic Tech Review. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the LG Q Stylus. So yeah, LG, man, they just dropped the bomb on all of us. And look at this, look at this, look at this. So go ahead and leave a like on the video. If you enjoyed the content, go ahead and subscribe to become part of the Magic Tech Review family. And comment down below what you think about this and the specs. And if you're going to like the phone and everything like that. And any other videos or comments you would like me to look at. So this is actually coming from their newsroom, LG newsroom. Okay, so it says be productive and creative with the LG Q Stylus. Smartphone with stylus is easy to use and easy on the wallet. So look at that, easy on the wallet. So it looks like this is not going to be like an expensive flagship phone, but there's pretty nice specs on these devices here, as you will see here. So we got the Q Stylus branding now. Wow. So you got the singular camera on the back. Looks like you got your fingerprint sensor in the back right there, and then you got your nice, you got your nice stylus and whatnot. So very reminiscent of the LG Stylo 4. But so it says in Seoul, of course that's where they're from. LG Electronics today announced the LG Q Stylus, the latest model in expanding Q series mid-range smartphones equipped with premium features. The LG Q Stylus features handwritten inputs for those times when writing is more productive and expressive than typing. Depending on the market, LG Q Stylus will be available in one or more configurations: Q Stylus Plus, Q Stylus, and Q Stylus A. The Q Stylus is a writing input smartphone without the premium price. The no-nonsense stylus adds more convenient functionality beyond the typical keyboard. Alright, so basically I'm not going to read all that stuff, but so it comes with some cool stuff here. LG G series Q lens comes standard on the handset, making searching online shopping a whole new experience. Capture an image or product with Q lens. So you got the Q lens is the intelligent lens right there. Intelligent camera doesn't sacrifice on image quality, sporting an 8 megapixel front camera and 16 megapixel rear camera, phase detection, autofocus, camera that's 23% faster. So there you go right there. Audiophiles will appreciate the superior sound of the LG Q Stylus, unmatched in its class. The phone offers the same advanced DTS:X found in the V and G series for up to 7.1 channel 3D surround sound with listening with earphones, USB Type-C fast charging, that's nice, IP68 water and dust protection, nice, mil standard 810G compliance, that's nice, makes the LG Q Stylus a true road warrior's delight. The smart rear key fingerprint sensor not only provides easy to reach security, it also doubles as a selfie camera shutter button. Okay, so there you go. Wow, surrounded by sleek metallic body, nice. 7.2 inch display, full HD plus, full vision display. Okay. Curved tempered glass and optimized body. This is really looking good, man. So there you have it. So it says another dimension to our series of the exceptionally priced mid-range phones that deliver amazing value to customers. So they keep saying amazing value, mid-range, amazing value. So I'm guessing the processors are not going to be as good, but I mean, you know what I'm saying, with a body and everything, like, you know, looking right, feeling right, I think this is going to be, you know, this might be something that LG has been looking for a while. And it says LG Q Stylus will launch on a limited basis starting this month in North America and Asia. Okay, so it is coming. Key specifications says right here: chipset 1.5 GHz octa-core processor or 1.8 octa-core processor, 6.2 inch 18:9 full HD display. So okay, here we go. So there you go, you got your 1080p right there. You got your memory configurations right here. You got your 4 gigs of RAM, 3 gigs of RAM, and 3 gigs of RAM, and 32 32 gigs, and 64 gigs of RAM. So there you have it on that. And then you got your camera configurations, of course, right there. And then you got your battery. So okay, battery's pretty good too. I wouldn't say the battery's the best, but we can work with that. And got your colors, obviously, and then you got your stylus pen. You got all types of different stuff right there that they named off and whatnot. So there you have it, guys. That is the configurations. That is the LG Stylus Q. Man, I got Q Stylus. Golly, I gotta really. Now I gotta remember how to say Stylo 4 and Q Stylus. Alright, well anyways guys, this has been John from Magic Tech Review. This is a lot of information to just take in at once, but that's what we've been used to now. So they just dropped 3 phones on us, guys. Let me know in the comments below, and if you like this video, go ahead and leave that like, of course, and if you reach the end of the video, go ahead and hit hashtag LGQ Stylus. So let me know that you reached the end of the video. Thank you for watching. You guys have a blessed one. Peace out.